Go carpet cleaning in Suwanee, Georgia. Testimonials. At Go Carpet Cleaning, we not only care about giving you a deep clean, but also bolster your overall wellness. We use only natural, eco-friendly solutions to clean your carpets that are 100% safe for your whole family and pets. Whether you need business or residential carpet cleaning, we have got you covered. Our qualified professionals work hard every day to make sure our clients are happy. They know that having a clean house is important, and makes life easier. Listen to what some of our happy customers have said.
My carpet needed help. It hadn't been cleaned since COVID. I called Go Carpet Cleaning. Gal came to clean the carpet. He was very professional. He brought a blue light to locate pet stains. My carpet looks and smells great. He did a wonderful job. I will call him again in the future.
Excellent service and work.
Think of a place where you can feel the warmth, see natural light, and breathe easy. We offer carpet cleaning that will bring your home or office back to life, and will supply pleasant service with a smile. Hard work and dedication are important to us, which is why we use steam cleaning tools that reach deep into the fibers of your carpet. This helps ensure that every detail and aspect of your carpet is accounted for in our cleaning service. Are you ready to learn more about Suwanee? Suwanee City is in Gwinnett County, Georgia, United States. The city is named one of the best places to live in Georgia and the U.S. due to its serene nature and amenities. Suwanee is known for the popular football team, known as the Atlanta Falcons, which practiced in the city between 1979 and 2001. The city has continued to nurture sports talent in the area since then. Are your carpets in dire need of a cleaning? If you live in Suwanee, please reach out to us and we would be happy to help. Carpets aren't the only thing we know how to clean, either. We're confident that we can take on any task you throw our way. Visit our website www.gocarpetcleaning.atlanta.com/carpet-cleaning-services/Suwanee-GA, or call us at 678-818-5698.